In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your bank account on Etsy. Keeping your bank details up to date is really important because this is where Etsy sends your payouts from sales. If you've switched banks, opened a new account, or simply want to separate your business finances, updating this information only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your Etsy account and head over to your shop manager. This is your main seller dashboard, where you manage listings, orders, and finances. If you're on the Etsy homepage, you can usually get there by clicking on the Shop Manager button at the top of the page. Once you're in Shop Manager, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the option labeled Settings. This is where Etsy keeps all the core configuration options for your shop. Under Settings, click on the section called Finances. This is the area that controls how you get paid, how fees are handled, and other money-related settings for your shop. Inside Finances, choose Payment Settings. This is where your current bank details and payout methods are stored. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see your existing bank information. Next, look for an Edit option near your bank details and click on it. This will open the form where you can change your payout bank account. If Etsy asks you to confirm your identity, follow any on-screen prompts, as this is just a security measure to protect your account. Now, click into the bank name field and start typing the name of your bank. Make sure you spell it correctly so it matches your bank documentation. After that, select your account type. Etsy typically gives you a choice between a checking account and a savings account. Choose the one that matches the bank account you want your payouts to go to. Then click into the account number field and carefully enter your full account number. It's a good idea to double check this against your banking app or a recent statement to avoid typos. Next, enter your bank code in the bank code field. Depending on your country, this might be called a routing number, sort code, or something similar. Again, confirm it's correct. When everything looks right, click on Save and Verify Account. Etsy may need to verify your bank details, and in some cases this can involve a small test deposit or additional confirmation. Once that's done, your new bank account will be linked, and future